Heart blockage and blood clotting are a very serious health concerns which can lead to life-threatening condition. One way you can prevent this issue is by including some healthy juice in your diet. Pomegranate juice are rich in antioxidants that can prevent inflammation and lower blood pressure. It also contains compounds that can help prevent the formation of blood clotting. Cranberry juice are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids that can help improve heart health. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent heart disease. Orange juice are packed with vitamin C and potassium, which are important nutrients for heart health. It also helps lower cholesterol level and prevent the risk of heart disease. Carrot juice are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that can help the heart from damage. It also contains vitamins and minerals that can support overall heart health. Beetroot juice is known for its ability to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Thank you. Make sure you like.